Good morning children. In the last class we have learned some rules of converting Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals. So now let us try to convert some Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals. Okay. The first one is I. So I means in Indo-Arabic numeral 1. So I. So I means 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Similarly, I. So I means 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Since you know that I means 1, I. Here I is repeated 3 times, so you are adding 3. You are adding 1 3 times. Okay. Now let us write down IV. IV means 4. Here V is a bigger Roman numeral and I is a smaller Roman numeral. I is to the left side of a bigger Roman numeral. So what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. V means how much? V means 5. I means how much? I means 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So V is a bigger Roman numeral and I is a smaller Roman numeral. I is to the left side of the bigger Roman numeral. So what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. I have explained it in the last class, isn't it? So you have to do subtraction. Then you will be getting 4. Now next one is VI. VI. V means how much? V means 6. Plus I means how much? 1. 6. V means 5. Sorry. V means 5. I means how much? 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here V is a bigger Roman numeral and I is a smaller Roman numeral. Now I is to the right side of the bigger Roman numeral. When there is a smaller Roman numeral to the right side of a bigger Roman numeral, what you have to do? So you have to do addition. So it is 6. Similarly, VII. V means 5. I plus I is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Similarly, VII. Here V means 5. I is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. And similarly, IX. Here X is a bigger Roman numeral which is 10 and I is a smaller Roman numeral which is 1. And I is to the left side of the bigger Roman numeral, which means you have to do subtraction. 10 minus 1, which is equals to 9. Next, X. X means how much? X means 10. You already know that X means 10. Next, XI. X means 10 and I means 1. Here, the smaller Roman numeral is to the right side of a bigger Roman numeral, which means you have to do addition. So, 10 plus 1 is 11. Similarly, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. 10 plus 3. X means 10, I means 3, which is equals to 13. Similarly, XIV. XIV. You know that X is 10. IV means 4. 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. Similarly, you can write as many Roman numerals you can write. Now let us write some bigger Roman numerals. Okay. Similarly, if you continue writing Roman numerals, you will get XX, which means after 13 you will be getting 14 and after 14 you will be getting 15. Let us now write down 15. X means 10, V means 5. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Here X means 10, VI means 6. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Similarly, XVI. X means 10, VII means 10, 7 and 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Similarly, XVI. X means 10, VII means 8, 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. Similarly, X means 10, IX means 9, IX means 9, which is 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. And XX means equals to 20. Similarly, you can write 21 like as we written 15, 16, 17. Similarly, you can also write 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. X means 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 which is equal to 30. Which is equals to 30. How can we write 40? 40 can be written as XL. XL is equal to 40. Here L means 50, X means 10. Here there is a small Roman numeral to the left side of the big Roman numeral which means subtraction. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Why we are not writing it 40 as X? Why we are not writing like this? Because here Roman numeral should not be repeated more than 3 times. Here X has been repeated for 4 times. So 40 shouldn't be right like this. It should be written as XL. It should be written as XL which means 40. Now you all know that L means 50. Similarly, LX means 50 plus 10 which is 60. LXX which means 50 plus 20 which is equals to 70. 50 plus 20 which is equal to 70. Similarly, LXXX which means 50 plus 30. 3 x's means 30. So 50 plus 30 is equals to 80. Similarly, you should write 90 as XC because you can't repeat X more than 3 times. If you write like this, here X is getting repeated more than 3 times. So this is wrong. So you have to write 90 as XC which means C means 100 and X means 10. And 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. Why we are writing 90 like this? Because we can't repeat X more than 3 times. If we write 90 as LXXX, here X is repeated 4 times, so you cannot write like this. So you can write it as XC which means 100 minus 10 which is equals to 90. Here C means 100 and X means 10. A small Roman numeral to the left side of a big Roman numeral means subtraction. So here 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. Okay. You all know that C is equal to 100. Yes? You all know that C is equal to 100. C is equal to how much? C is equal to 100. If you repeat C 2 times, you will be getting 200. Similarly, if you repeat C for 3 times, you will be getting 300. Since you can't repeat C for 4 times, because you have a rule that a Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Here, since C is repeated more than 3 times, 400 should not be right like this. This is wrong way of showing 400. Then how can you show 400? You can show 400 as, this is wrong way of showing 400. Because here C is repeated how many times? More than 3 times. So it is showing like this is wrong. So then how you have to show 400? You can show it as CD. You can show it as CD. Here you all know that D means 500 and C means 100. A small Roman numeral to the left side of the big Roman numeral means subtraction. So you have to subtract 100 from 500 which is equals to 400. Did you understand, children? Here you can't repeat C for more than 3 times. So you cannot write 400 as C. You have to write it as CD which means 100 subtracted from 500 that is equals to 400. Now how can you write? You all know that D is 500. Then how can you write 600? You can write it as DC. D means 500 plus 100, 600. DCC. So 500 plus 200 that is equals to 700. DCCC which is equals to 500 plus 300, 800. Children, here you can't write 900 as DCCC. Okay? You can't write 900 as DCCC because here C is getting repeated more than 3 times. So then how will you write 900? You can write 900 as CM. CM, which means here M means 1000 and C means how much? 100. So a small Roman numeral to the left side of big Roman numeral means subtraction. Then 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. So how you have to write 900? You have to write it as CM. You can't write it as DCCC. It is wrong because here C is getting repeated more than 3 times. So did you understand, children, how to write some Roman numerals? Now let us do first some in workbook. Okay. So now I have explained how to write few Roman numerals. Now let us do page number 18. Page number 18 in workbook. First sum. Page number 18 in workbook. First sum. Okay. First sum. Convert the following. Convert the following Indo-Arabic numerals. Indo-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Convert the following Indo-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Let us do a sum. First one is 95. You can write 95 as 90 plus 5. You can write 95 as 90 plus 5. You know that 90 means what? 90 means XC. 90 means XC. And 5 means V. So XCV. XCV. Okay, next let us do B sum. 120. 120 means 100 plus 20. You know that the symbol for 100 is C. And the symbol for 20 is XX. So 100 plus 20. Now let us do C sum. 145. So 100 plus 40 plus 5. You all know that 100 means C. 40 means XL. 40 means XL. And B means 5. And B means, 100 plus 40 plus 5. And B means, and 5 means V. Okay, 145 means 100 plus 40 plus 5. 100 means C. XC means, 40 means XL. And 5 means V. Now let us do the D sum. 167. 100 plus 60 plus 7. You all know that 100 means C, 60 means LX, and 7 means BII. Okay. Now let us do E sum. 870. 800 plus 70. 800 means D means 500. Plus C means 600. Plus C means 700. Plus C means 800. 800 means D, C, C, C. And 70 means L, X, X. Okay. I have taught you 5 sums. Remaining sums you do on your own. I have shown you how to write 5 sums. Remaining sums you try to do on your own. Once you just recollect the rules. If you have textbook, you can just recollect the rules. And then you start doing these sums. Okay. Now let us do the second sum. Here I have done 5 sums. I will be giving the answers in the WhatsApp. You try the remaining sums and check your answers. Okay. Now let us do the second sum. Now let us do the second sum. Convert the following. Now you have to convert the following Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. In the first sum we have converted Indo-Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Now we are going to convert Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. Now let us do a sum. LXXVI. LXX means what? LXX means 70. And VI means what? 6. 70 plus 6 is equals to 76. You all know that LXX. L means 50. XXX means 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. And VI means 6. That is equals to 76. Now let us do B sum. XLIX. You all know that XL means 40 and IX means 9. 40 plus 9 is equals to 49. Similarly, let us do C sum. CM. Here M means 1000. Here M means 1000 and C is to the left side of the big Roman numeral, which is M. C is to the left side of the big Roman numeral, which is M. And C means 100. Here C is to the left side. So you have to do subtraction. 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. Okay. Now let us do the D sum. CDLXII. Here CD means what? D means 500 and C is to the left side of 500, which means you have to do subtraction. 500 minus 100, C means 100, no? So 500 minus 100 is equals to how much? 400. CD means 400 plus LX means 60 plus II means 2. That is equals to 462. Now let us do E sum. Okay. Now let us do E sum. DLXII. Okay. You all know that D means 500, LX means 60, II means 2. So 562. Now let us do F sum. CCCXXII. Here CCC means how much? 300 plus XX means how much? 20. II means how much? 3. So it is 323. So here I have explained you 6 sums. Remaining sums you try to do on your own. I will be giving answers for both the first question and second question so that you can check your answers. Did you understand, children? I have done some sums in the first sum. Remaining sums you do on your own. I will be giving the answers in the WhatsApp so that you can check your answers. Similarly, I have done 6 sums in second question. Remaining sums you try on your own. I will be giving the answers in the WhatsApp so that you can check your answers. Okay. For today, that's all for the class. Okay, bye.